Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can remove a notification software like a tabula ads or other like that things on your Motorola ThinkPhone. So at the start, if you see something like that when you're trying to visit any site or just on your home screen or something like that in your notification bar, that means that you have a notification virus and we can try to remove it without antivirus app yet. So we start from opening the settings, then go to the apps and tap on see all apps. Then check all of these apps on the list and check that you have any unwanted apps or the apps that you have not installed before, and if you see something strange, just tap on it and choose uninstall. Then go back and look for your web browser on the list, choose it, go to the storage and cache and tap on the manage space. Then tap on the clear all data and OK, and your web browser should be free from the notification virus. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download an antivirus app. In my case it's Avast. So we have to launch it now, tap on get started, next and skip. Then close to ads and tap continuous free. Now tap on the start scan and data permissions. Go back to the Avast and choose your scan type. I will choose the regular one, and now the Avast looking for the unwanted software, and after the scan it will be removed. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment and stay safe. Goodbye.